It is a very cold and windy night tonight in Norfolk with below freezing temperatures. The snow has passed, but now the main concern are roads refreezing. Regardless of what road conditions were earlier today, tonight is a completely different story, and let me tell you why. Behind me here, you can actually see visible ice on the roads here. So drivers, if you are getting out tonight, please remain cautious and take it slower than normal. Earlier today, we were in downtown Portsmouth and the snow impacted many businesses there. Not many people were outside. I did speak with some business owners who tell me business was slow because of the weather.
I'm out today, hoping that maybe someone might have a nerve and want to venture out and do some shopping. So, every little bit counts.
Well, sure, last night and last weekend, we've had, it hurts our business on the weekends. I wish it would snow Monday and Tuesdays. It would help us out a lot.
As far as road conditions, VDOT is warning drivers to stay off the roads tonight to avoid any ice or black ice. VDOT will have several crews stationed throughout Norfolk prepared to respond to any reports that may happen. In Norfolk, Leandra Head, News 3.